Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can easily convert between different numeric bases, for example from hex to decimal or decimal to binary. So here's a small file of hexadecimal values. We can see this one has a 0x in front, as is common with hexadecimal, and they're a mixture of upper and lower case. Make sure the Show Advanced box is checked and click on the num base transform. And we're going to convert from base 16 to base 10. And here we can see all the values have been converted. This is a very small sample with only a few rows. However, Easy Data Transform can easily convert millions of rows. So let's convert decimal values to binary. So here we have some decimal values, but they have group separators. So we'll need to get rid of those first using the num format transform. And we'll remove the group separators and set the precision to 0 so we have no decimal point. And then we can convert it to binary. So we're going from base 10 to base 2. And perhaps we just want to tidy it up and pad them all to the same length. So we can use the pad transform for that. So we'll pad them to 24 characters minimum with zeros. And we can output that to file. We can use a range of formats, but let's just leave it as CSV. If we have data that follows the convention of octal starting with 0 and hexadecimal starting with 0x, we can get Easy Data Transform to intelligently convert it. Let's copy this into the clipboard, paste from the clipboard, then when we add a num base transform, it will treat the values depending on whether they begin with 0x for hexadecimal or 0 for octal. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.